You've seen the ads, right? You've heard all the hype. AI is supposedly the magic bullet for day trading. But what's the real story? Well, in this explainer, we are going to cut through all of that noise to find out the truth. What can AI really do for you? And maybe more importantly, what can't it do? Let's dive in.
So, this is the big one. The question everyone wants the answer to. Can you just, flip a switch and let some algorithm print money for you? It's the dream, but is it the reality?
Okay, let's just rip the Band-Aid off right now. The answer is a hard no. AI is not a crystal ball. It can't predict the future. But what it can do is actually way more valuable for your long-term success. It can help you become a more disciplined trader. And honestly, in this game, discipline is everything.
To really get why AI matters here, first we have to talk about the biggest hurdle to being a successful trader. And that hurdle, well, it's us. It's the human problem, and it's at the core of why most traders fail.
A lot of people think traders fail because they just don't know enough, but that's rarely the case. Most people get the basics, support, resistance, trends. The real problem is trying to apply that knowledge when the pressure is on. When the market's whipping around and your heart is pounding, that's when the best plans just fall apart.
I'm willing to bet some of this looks painfully familiar, right? That split second where you second-guess your entry? Or when you nudge your stop loss just a little further down, hoping for a turnaround. Chasing after a big green candle? Yeah, these are the classic signs of inconsistent trading, and they are so costly. Which brings us to AI itself. It's time to separate the marketing fantasy from what these tools are actually doing for you on a day-to-day basis.
This slide right here, this is the whole story. It's all about shifting how you think about it. It's not a crystal ball, it's a super powerful pattern recognition tool. It doesn't just print money, it organizes huge amounts of information for you. The big takeaway here is that AI is a decision support system. It's there to help you, not replace you.
So if it's not a magic 8-ball, what is it? Well, at its core, AI is a tool designed to give you one thing above all else: structure.
We have all been there, staring at a chart. You know you should take the trade, but you hesitate, and you miss it. That's what we call decision friction. It's that mental fog that gets in the way, and it's the enemy of good trading. A good AI tool helps cut right through that friction by giving you clear, objective signals based on rules that you already set. This is the perfect way to think about it. A pilot doesn't just jump in the cockpit and hope for the best. They go through a strict pre-flight checklist every single time. AI can be your co-pilot, making sure all your conditions are met before you ever risk a dime. It takes the guesswork out, so you can just focus on executing your plan.
But, and this is a big but, it's absolutely crucial to remember that AI is a framework, not a crutch. It's an incredible tool, for sure, but it doesn't get you off the hook for your own decisions and responsibilities.
Look, let's just be brutally honest for a second. AI will not save you from yourself. If you're prone to revenge trading after a loss, or you ignore your own risk rules, no piece of software is going to fix that. AI is your partner, but it can't fight your own emotional battles for you.
So this is what a smart partnership with AI actually looks like. It's not about hype, it's about process. Step 1, you define your plan before the market even opens. Step 2, the AI does the heavy lifting, scanning and flagging setups that match your exact rules. Step 3, your job is just to execute the plan. And step 4, you review your process, not just whether you won or lost. So what's the big payoff for all of this work, all of this structure? It's the one thing every serious trader is really looking for: a consistency edge.
This is such a huge mental shift. Most new traders are always swinging for the fences, right? Trying to hit that one massive home run trade. But the pros know that winning in the long run is about playing defense. It's not about the amazing wins. It's about avoiding the dumb, costly mistakes. I want you to really let this sink in. The bigger win is often avoiding stupid losses. Think about that. What would your trading account look like right now if you could just erase your worst, most impulsive trades? That's the real power of discipline, and that's where AI can be a game changer. And that's really the bottom line. It's not sexy, it is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is the boring, methodical, repeatable process of applying your edge over and over again. That is how you build a career.
So, as we've seen, AI isn't some magic wand. It's a tool for discipline. And that kind of leads to a much bigger question, doesn't it? In this new age of smart technology, maybe the future of expertise isn't about being a genius, but about having unwavering discipline.
Something to think about, not just in trading, but, well, in pretty much everything.